MCQ of question number 1. What is the other name for the forward state space search? A. Progression planning. B. Regression planning. C. Taste planning. And D. None of above these options. And the answer is progression planning. So, what is the other name for forward state space search is none other than progression planning. Let's see the next question. How many states are available in the state space search? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Let's see the answer. The answer is 4. So there are 4 states available in state space search. Let's see the next question. What is the main advantage of backward state space search? Is it cost? Is it action? Is it relevant action? Or none of above? Let's see the answer. And the answer is relevant action. So, the main advantage of the backward state space search is relevant action. Let's see the next question. What is the other name of the backward state space search? Is it regression planning? Is it progression planning? Is it state planning? Or is it taste planning? Let's see the answer. And the correct answer is regression planning. So, the other name of the backward state space search is regression planning. Let's see the next question. What is meant by consistent in state space search? A. Change in desired literals. B. Not any change in the literals. C. No change in goal state. And D. None of the mentions. Let's see the answer. And the answer is not any change in the literal. So, meant by consistent in state space search is not any change in the literals. So, this all for this current session. We will see for the next session in more detail with more MCQ. Thank you so much.